Do you know what the parent ASIN is? Have you heard about the parent ASIN? It's the new talk of the town, the parent ASIN. Are you tagging your products with the parent ASIN? Check this out. Viral Vue is going to help you out with this one, right? We're going to go to Amazon. Let me share my screen. So we're over here, right? And so I want to buy this sweatshirt, but I'm not sure, right? So let's go up, check it out, what's going on. Now this is Viral Vue gives you all of this, whether it's this Viral Vue score, whether it's from creator connections, right? Bottom carousel, top carousels, the ASIN, but this is the parent ASIN. They're giving you the parent ASINs. You copy the parent ASIN, all right? It's not only going to cover you for this one, all the variations will be covered. So no matter what color they pick, or if your color goes out of stock, it won't block your ASIN. It won't be a dead ASIN. Okay, it'll go right to the next one. All right. And then of course you got IPX up here. IPX gives you some information, but not as much as Viral Vue. Okay, now Viral Vue got a lot that you can do here with it. But you know what? I just wanted to show you the parent ASIN thing, and the rest of it, check out the other videos. I'll leave a link for some other videos, Viral Vue. There'll be a link to get the 10% off with my code with Viral Vue, so check that out. And yeah, good luck. And you got to see my other videos. Viral Vue is just crazy. If you don't have Viral Vue, if you're using some of these other tools and spending money on them, you cancel them and get Viral Vue. Save that, right? It's going to give you the parent ASIN. Copy the parent ASIN, right? And go to edit. Pick a ball set. No, nothing is tagged. Go back to edit. Now Viral Vue has this here, tag ASINs. So what you're going to do is you're going to paste. You're going to put those two ASINs in there, tag them. They're there, right? And you save it. So now that's been posted, and you've got, now it's got the parent ASIN on there, so you don't have to worry about that one.